Nokia has been one of the most trusted brands among people for years. If you've also been waiting for an awesome Nokia 5G smartphone, that's super affordable, yet packed with premium features, then today we've got something special for you. This incredible smartphone comes with a 150 megapixel DSLR camera, and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast of a phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because in today's video, we'll reveal its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. Display. Let's talk about the display first. This smartphone flaunts a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, with 1.5K resolution, a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating, for ultimate durability. Camera quality. Now, the camera setup on this phone is next level. It features a triple camera system, with a primary 150 megapixel lens, along with 32 megapixel and 5 megapixel secondary cameras. And for selfie lovers, a 50 megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your snaps look flawless. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, yes, the latest and greatest. And for software, it runs on the all-new Android 15, ensuring a smooth and futuristic experience. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Zero Ultra 5G packs a massive 6500 mAh battery, and supports 100-watt fast charging, with a Type-C port, so you spend less time charging and more time using. Price and launch date. Now, the big question: how much will it cost? Well, this powerhouse is expected to be priced around $800. And when can you get it? Next year.